All right, everybody, here we go with another one. So we've got computing expected value in a business application. So this is going to be really similar to the last one, but it's going to look, just a teensy bit different because, well, it's a different scenario. That's really the main reason. Okay, so MotoWin Auto Superstore is thinking about offering a 2-year limited warranty for $979 on all new cars, a certain model. Terms of the warranty would be that MotoWin would replace the car free of charge under certain specified conditions. Replacing the car in this way would cost MotoWin $15,500. Suppose that under the warranty, there's a 6% chance that MotoWin would have to replace the car one time and a 94% chance that they wouldn't have to replace the car. So, where are they getting the 94% and the 6%? Well, they probably hired, some company to go do a study on their cars, or they just looked at their own records or something. Okay. So anyway, we don't have to look that up, so it's no big deal. Now, before we continue with this one, I want to mention something real quick. Like on that last video, there are three main choices. There's okay, MotoWin can expect to make money, lose money, or break even. Neither. Okay. So so if we get a positive expected value, that's make money. If we get a negative expected value, that's lose money. And if we get a zero for the expected value, which doesn't happen a lot, because I mean it's tough to hit that one tiny target, then neither. Okay, you're not gaining, you're not losing, you're just breaking even. Okay, so this is something that the Moto Win is going to want to do before they start implementing this. They're going to say, all right, are we likely to gain money, lose money, or what? Because if we're not gaining money, why are we doing it? Okay, because then if we're losing money on it, then it'll probably help us to go out of business. Sometimes you do it though anyway. You're like, well, let's do that because then there's some other thing attached to that. And we can like after Christmas or something. It's okay. Let's just sell all these Christmas decorations really cheap and we're not going to make any money on them. But then we get rid of them, and then we have room for all these other things and whatever. Okay, so let's see what we're going to do here. So what could happen? Okay, so the outcome. All right. Well, there are not a lot of them. Um, you either win, or I'm sorry, either the warranty gets gets used, and the car gets replaced, or not. Okay. So again, now all of this, it says MotoWin can expect what? So all of this is from MotoWin's point of view, not the point of view of the consumer. If it was the point of view of the consumer, then all of the outcome numbers here that I'm about to put, you would just flip the sign on them from positive to negative and negative to positive. Okay. So MotoWin. Well, if and then we need the percent. Okay, over here. Okay, so well, we know there is a 94% chance that the warranty does not get used. Okay, in which case, MotoWing gets 979 bucks. Cool. All right, so they get that. So that's a lot of 979s that they don't have to pay out on. But there is a 6% chance that MotoWin is going to lose or pay out 15,500. Okay. Now, lest you think I have a mistake there, I am not done with this, namely this part here. Okay. So, because there is a problem with this number right here. In order for MotoWin to pay out $15,500 for a new car for you, well, you had to first pay for the warranty. Okay. So MotoWin had to gain $979 first. So that 6% is going to be attached to what does it say? Negative 14,521. Okay, so that is the outcome associated with the 6%. Okay, because yeah, MotoWin does get that money. If the consumer didn't pay this money, that year, then MotoWin is not gonna pay out for a car. I mean, if you don't pay for the warranty, you don't get to use the warranty. So, and a lot of the problems in this particular topic, they work this way. They've got this extra little thing there. Okay. So we now take the outcome, we multiply it by the percent, and we get $920.26. And we get negative $871.30. And then, yeah, I'm going to change color just to kind of mix it up. So then I'm going to add these two little piggies together. And let's see, I think I remember what I got. Let me just double check here. Yeah, okay. And that adds up to 49. All right. So MotoWin can, so that came out positive. So MotoWin can expect to gain or make money because it was positive. Had this number been negative, it would be a loss. And in fact, on this problem, if you don't factor in that 979 right there, you end up with a negative answer. You end up like negative $9 or something. You get the wrong answer. Okay. So in the long run, long run, or in other words, if they sell a ton of warranties, not just 5 or 10 or 100, but if they sell a ton of these warranties over a long time, then they should expect to make $49 on each warranty sold, not total, but every single warranty. Okay. So if they sell, like, I don't know, 1,000 of these warranties, hey Luke, then that's $49,000 that they're going to make just having the warranty. Okay. So, and that's only if they sell 1,000 of them. They would probably sell a bunch more than that. Anyway, but that is how it is done.